Hey, what's up everybody? I have been out running around looking for cards, any kind of trading cards, and I got lucky today. Alright, welcome back to my channel everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell, especially if you like these opening of packs. I am hoping to start getting some more if I can find them. As most of you probably know, this is almost like toilet paper back in early 2020. You can't find trading cards anywhere, at least where I am. So it's been kind of crazy. I've been running around and I did get lucky. Like I said, I found some. So I'm going to open these right now. 2020 Panini Contenders. I got these fat packs. I got 4 of them. Looks like each one's got 22 cards in it. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't know a lot about football, not just football cards, but football in general. I've never been like a big football fan. So this will be kind of interesting. I mean, I got them because that's all I could find. But you know, if you've been following my videos, you know that going back to last year, I really was going through my personal collection. That's how I got to where I am in this channel. I kind of just started showing people what I was opening and what I was going to send in to get graded. And things kind of just have progressed. And now I'm getting ready to send more cards into PSA. But I really want to maybe find something good from these modern cards because I don't have any. But like I said, I don't really know a lot. I've been watching some videos, maybe some of you guys, to kind of show me what I'm looking for. It's obviously not like when I was a kid. I'll date myself, but you know, back in the 80s, it was all about collecting the full set. I wanted full sets. I think these are a lot different. You're just looking for those autos and you know the parallels and all those different really cool looking cards that are a lot more rare. So we're gonna open these up, see if I get anything, and if I get lucky, maybe I'll go out and try to find some more, even though I don't know if I'll be able to. But here we go. Let's rip these open. All right, here we go with the first pack. Again, I'm not a big football guy, so I probably not going to read all these names because I know that most of these are all commons at the beginning, and I don't know many of the names, so I don't want to butcher all of them, but I'll run through these. Hey, Tom Brady right off the bat. That's cool. I know it's a common card, but everybody knows Tom Brady. So let's see, we got a Tyreek Hill, J.J. Watt, Juju Smith-Schuster, Sony Michael, Larry Fitzgerald, Austin Eckler, all right, I got a round numbers here, DJ Dallas, Colby Parkinson. Not really super familiar with them. MVP. Cam Newton. We got a Rookie of the Year, A.J. Dillon. One more card here. What is this? Legendary. Legendary Contenders, John Riggins. All right, nothing spectacular there, but we will move on. And of course the trash truck decides to go by right now. but I'll just keep leafing through these. You guys, I'm sure, know these players more than I do. I recognize a few names, but I'm not going to sit here and read them all. I know we're all kind of waiting for the last few. Hopefully I'll get something in one of these packs here. Here's Le'Veon Bell, Josh Allen, Preston Williams, Dwayne Haskins. All right, we're getting towards the end here. We got, all right, Rookie of the Year, Jacob Eason. Now we've got a Legendary Contenders, Randy Moss. All right, I'm very familiar with him. Ooh, what's this? This I definitely know Joe Burrow, Justin Jefferson, and then I got this. Let me see the final MVP contender, Christian McCaffrey. But this one looks like it might be pretty decent. Let me sleeve this real quick. Yeah, so I think that's my best so far. Or at least I got a pull to Joe Burrow. That's cool. Oh, all right. Aaron Rodgers, J.J. Watt. And I know a few guys in here. I'm just going to keep running through these. I want to get something good at the end here. I want to get an auto or something. Oh, what's this? It's backwards. I like that. Ooh. This looks nice. I think it's from what I remember, it's called a Stardust, isn't it? Or is it a cracked ice? I think this is a Stardust. This is nice. Russell Wilson. All right. Yeah, that looks real nice. Not numbered or anything. Actually something on this. It's on the surface. Hopefully I can get that off. I don't know what it is. It's kind of gummy. But it feels like it might hopefully come right off. But that's a nice card. I'm going to put this one in a top loader. That's by far my best pull so far. Let's finish this pack up here. I got a Rookie of the Year, Van Jefferson. Another round numbers and a winning ticket. MVP Kirk Cousins. That's the end of that pack. All right, I'm happy with that Russell Wilson for sure right there. That's a nice one. There's a Sterling Shepard. Jared Goff there. Le'Veon Bell. All right, Patrick Mahomes, base card, but now I've got both of the last Super Bowl's quarterbacks today. I got a couple Tom Brady's. All right, flying through these here. Cam Newton. All right, here's a Aaron Rodgers winning ticket. MVP Tom Brady. Kind of cool. Pulled a couple Tom Brady's right now today. All right, nothing super spectacular about it, but cool. Rookie of the Year, J.K. Dobbins. It looks like a round numbers. It's got green foil. Xavier McKinney, Trayvon Diggs. Super special, but that's cool. Anyway, here's the big pull of the day, the Russell Wilson Stardust. Again, here's that little something on the back of the card, but hopefully I can rub that off. But cool, decent card, not too bad. Overall, not too bad. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll hopefully get some more, and I'll do another one of these.